I'm going to show you how to get your stomach slim and trim, along with a good diet now. But we're going to work the transverse abdominis muscle. That's the deep core muscle. That's the muscle that holds us in, that makes you look trim. By working this transverse abdominis muscle, this is going to strengthen our core. It's going to help you sit up tall, stand up tall. It's going to help you get up off a couch, off a chair. It's going to allow you to bend easier. You're going to support your lower pelvic floor. You're going to support your lower back. And you're going to prevent lots of injuries. So here's what we need to do. I'm going to put you through several different repetitions. I'll give you more instructions how you should continue at home right after. But I'd like you to first get into a comfortable position. It could be anywhere on the floor, but you must have a pillow or something nice and cushiony and soft on your knees. This will take a lot of stress off your knees. So all we're going to do, and by the way, if you're 80, 90, 100 years old, you still can do this exercise. 20, 30, 40, 50, or 60, definitely do this exercise because this exercise is for everyone. So let's go on all fours, just like this. And what we're going to do now, we're going to lift one arm and hold that arm up for about 15, 20 seconds. You'll feel that core just work, just holding that arm up. Let's hold it up. And if you can't hold up as long, go back down again and you'll continue. After 15 seconds or so, put it down and lift the other arm up. And you'll feel the core contract all underneath that tummy because we're strengthening our core just against gravity. After 15 seconds, you're going to alternate again. You'll put the arm down and bring it up. Yes, you are feeling it. Now, when you put your arm out, reach out there and just hold it there. As gravity is pulling your arm down, this core is keeping your arm up. Try to keep the back straight, look ahead, and then you'll rotate again as you put the other arm up, just like this. And it's a beautiful exercise, great core strengthening for the transverse abdominis area. And what you're going to do is you're going to shoot for about 12 repetitions initially. You'll try to build up to 2 sets. Now the next thing we're going to do, go on your knees. If you can't bend down all the way, it's okay. If it's easier to go up higher, it's okay. But here's the trick. Take your arms out in front of you. Remember, we're using gravity. Reach out as far as you can until you can't reach out anymore. Now your core is kicking in. These are excellent, excellent strengthening exercises for our core. And you're saying, well, my back is hurting. Come back a little bit more then. But reach out. You're going to hold it about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you'll come back. You can take your breath. You can relax for a few seconds, and then we'll attempt it again. And you'll reach out 30 seconds, and you'll try to do about 6 of these, 6 repetitions, and you can build up to 12. These are so good. I am sweating. I'm sure you might be too. But let's go to the last part, which is one of my favorite parts. We're going to continue to work that deep transverse abdominis muscle. We're going to strengthen that core by just being on our knees. Get into a comfortable position and just take your umbilicus, your belly button, and push it back to your spine. Aha! It hurts. Push it back. I want you to hold it 10 seconds. Come on. It hurts. I know it hurts. Now relax it. Now here's what we're going to do. We're going to pull it back again. As we pull it back for about 5 seconds, we'll pause, and then we're going to twist to the left and twist to the right. So we're going to work all those deep abdominal muscles. That's going to get nice and strong. Here we go. Let's bring our belly button all the way back to the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put your fists together like this and twist to the left as you hold it in. Hold it there, and now twist to the right. You feel those muscles kick in? It's good. Now relax your stomach. Let's do it again. Let's pull it in, pull it back to the spine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fists together. Turn to the left. Wow. All the way to the right, holding that core in. Come on back again. Relax. Bring the stomach core muscles back to the spine. 2, 3, 4, 5. Twist to the left. Yes, you're feeling it. And twist to the right. Keep that stomach pulled in. Relax. Get a breath or two. Bring the stomach muscles back to the spine. Squeeze it, squeeze it. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the left and go to the right. 12 repetitions. I promise you after that, you are going to feel it. Yes. But what's going to be beautiful about this is that within a short time, days, weeks ahead, you're going to feel a tremendous difference. You're going to see changes where your stomach muscles are going to allow you to do so many more important things. If you have lower back problems, disc herniations, bulging discs, nerve irritation, this exercise is for you because this will definitely strengthen that deep pelvic floor so you continue to heal. Now remember one thing. If you're 80, 90, or 100, or 30, 40, 50, or 60, even 70, do these exercises. Do what works best for you. And I promise you, your body will love you. Please share this video with your friends and family.